Hello everybody, welcome once again to Enrique Talks. This is Enrique and tonight I am going to bake apple pie right here at Royce's kitchen. Please stay. Ito guys, ang apple pie normally is a very how do you call this, intricate thing na niluluto. But in my family, we normally have this during occasions like Christmas, birthdays, but most probably always during the holiday season. Pero tonight, I am going to make one because I want to share this to all of you and of course to Royce. And by the way guys, Royce has also his own version of the apple pie which you will love because it's more artistic than mine. Kasi yung gagawin ko is just traditional. Ang sa kay Royce talaga, beautiful rosettes, lattice and everything. And you will see that in his channel someday. Look at this guys, the apples. It's a mixture of the red and the yellow one. I mean, technically I do not know the names pero ang lalaki, di ba? Pwede mo ipukpuk sa ulo mo. Yun. So, I am going to make it. So, please watch carefully. Para na makagawa din kayo sa bahay ninyo. Okay? And then we're gonna put 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Kasi yung butter is not salted, so 1/4 teaspoon of salt. There are two ways to blend the pie crust, okay? One is by the use of two knives, na i-cut mo siya ng ganyan, and the other is by the use of a mixer that has this attachment. So for tonight, we're going to use this mixer para na mas mabilis, this attachment in the mixer. And then I'll transfer the flour and the butter inside this bowl to mix the dough. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I'm gonna put in the flour and the butter mixture here and the salt. And I'm going to put on the dough maker para na mag-blend siya. Which later I will show you kung ano ang kanyang itsura at saka ang consistency when you feel it by the hands. So after that, nilipat ko na siya. We're going to use this one on a very low how do you call this? Speed. We will mix the butter with the flour. So normally guys, pag gumawa na kayo ng dough, makikita ninyo, di ba ganyan na siya, nakamix na. The butter starts to melt, especially when pumapasok na siya sa tinatawag na room temperature. So we need to add up a iced water. In this case, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of iced water. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bakit iced? Because it needs to cool down. Para magbuo-buo siya. Ayan o, nakita nyo, nagbuo-buo. Bumubuo-buo. So that we can form this into a ball. So after mixing the dough, I will transfer this sa malaking bowl para naman knead ko siya. And make it into a ball. So, yan. This is how it looks. If you will note, may puti pa siya na part. So, we can always just mix it. So, nakikita nyo how it looks. May mga buo-buo. May buo-buo siya, no? So we will handle this. We will knead this by the hand lightly. Hindi pwede how do you call this? Tighten kasi titigas yung tinatawag na crust. Okay? Let's knead this by the hand. Okay? Malinis naman ang kamay ko eh. First, ganyan lang. You don't need handle lang it with light na touch because while pinipisil siya or biniblend siya ng hands, if you note, tumitigas ang flour, nagkakaroon na siya ng shape. Can you see that? It's starting to have its own shape. Yan. So ito, magagamit natin to top and bottom. So if you will note guys, ito na ha, bubuo na tayo ng crust. So yan. Ang pag-knead nito, light lang, hindi pwede i-press todo-todo para hindi tumigas. Yan. So form it into a ball na medyo flat ball siya so that it's easy to place later sa pie plate. So we will let this stay for a while. Yan ang itsura niya. We'll let this stay for a while para na pack yung butter. There are many ways na pag roll ng pie crust. Some people nagro-roll sila and then dito na dinidikit. But me, I use the traditional way of using this paper. So siyang paper, di ba? Tapos ilagay ito ang dough dito sa taas and flatten it and then put another paper on top. Yan ito, traditional to na way of doing things. So ito, start tayo ng roll. Pag nag-roll, delicate lang. Huwag mabaliw sa kakaroll na kailangan mabilis ka agad. So for example, if you are not very sure yet kung ang crust mo is already pwede, what you can do is kunin mo ang plate at saka ilagay dyan sa top. So this one shows na ang bottom niya pwede na. But you have to make sure na ang sides niya malagyan. So since this is still very thick, pwede pa mapalapad ng konti. This is the pie plate. All you need to do is to put it this way. And peel it off. Pag nag-peel off na, dandahan lang kasi baka mapunit siya masyado. Mahirapan. In the pie, what is most important is ang bottom more than the sides kasi ang side kasi may top cover pa. It can be camouflaged once na meron ng filling. To do things, pero since this is a tart plate, gagawa tayo ng drama ng konti dito. By the use of the hands, we are going to design something. Ito kasi, ang pie crust kasi, you need to pre-bake this para na hindi mag-permeate ang liquid ng apple later on. So, gawin natin, first and foremost, i-design natin siya. Yan o. Yan. Gawin natin siyang zigzag muna. Para lang na may konting design siya. Para mamaya pag nag-cover tayo, guwapa siya. I-bake natin to for 5 minutes para na mag-firm siya sa plate. And then after which, we're gonna put the filling and put the top. Okay? So, meanwhile, we will bake this. Okay, so here's the pie crust. We're gonna put it here for a few minutes, 5 minutes. I-bake natin siya para na mag-firm siya. To slice the apple. So, ito na ang one whole apple. We need to slice it para nang itsura niya na ganito. Okay? Yan. So, we'll cut into quarters. Do you like the cleaver for the fruits? It's a nice knife. And then, we're gonna take away the core. I-slice natin siya ng ganyan. By the way guys, I am using Royce's kitchen in preparation for Royce's vlog. He is going to have his own vlog of cooking and he will be cooking a lot of food. So, bininyagan ko lang yung kanyang equipments kasi na-excite ako. Then after this, we will slice this. Yan, ng half an inch para na mas mabilis siya maluto. Here goes. This is how it looks. Okay? After this, we're gonna mix this with cinnamon and sugar. So, this is the pie crust na bake siya for 5 minutes para lang na mag-pack siya, na dumikit siya at saka makikita nyo medyo nag-translucent siya. So, normally, it has to happen na i-bake mo siya para dumikit siya sa tinatawag na pie plate. Yan. Yan. Okay. So, now we're going to mix the apple filling. Apple sa loob ng pie crust. So baka isipin ninyo na bakit ang dami-daming mansanas? Mamaya, anong mangyari dyan? You know, when it cooks, nagiging manipis ang mansanas. So, ganyan mangyayari. Magiging manipis siya. I-arrange lang siya. I-pack lang siya na arrange. Na wala siyang mga empty spaces. Yan. No empty spaces. No nothing. So, let us set this aside. Ayan yung tsura niya. So, ito na yung gagawin natin ngayon is to make the cover of the pie para na magamit natin siya. So, ang magaganda nito is i-roll siya. Ganyan. Oh, yan. And then, we will start to decorate again. How? Pinch. 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 Para magkaroon siya ng itsura. And then, we're gonna punch again with this one, with the fork, para magkaroon siya ng holes, so that when the apple is cooking, it will vent out yung steam. And then lastly, we have to put cinnamon on top. And now it's ready for baking. So there you go, guys. That's the old-fashioned apple pie that was made today, and I hope it's a success. I really hope that it's gonna be a success. Ayan! People, kasama ko si Royce. Yung kitchen niya ginamit ko, siguro kagulo-gulo siguro sa kitchen niya. Ginamit ko yung kitchen niya. Pero, you know, it's a try. Sabi ko, binyagan ko yung kitchen mo, nagluto ako dito. But just to give you a glimpse of what he has here, look at that. Talagang, nakaayos talaga lahat. And the kitchen is really good. And Royce, I want to tell them that you're gonna have your own channel soon.
Coming soon.
Basta, please support Royce because he's gonna have his own kitchen soon. And he prepared for it so much. If you can only see, sus, grabe yung mga gamit niya dito. I mean, it's really for cooking. And it's gonna be fun. So here goes, it's already like 10 seconds more and we're gonna be done with our first phase of our baking. So 45 minutes siya kasi ilalabas siya, and then I'm gonna put egg wash para na mag-brown siya. Look at that. It's already basically brown na siya, but we need to put egg wash. So lalagyan natin ng egg wash. First we put it on the sides muna. Ang use ng egg wash is para na mag-brown siya and crispier ang itsura. So why am I putting una muna sa sides? Because it's thick. It's the thick area. But basically, luto na ito. This is just the last phase of the cooking, of the baking. We're gonna return this to the oven para na mag-sparkle ang crust. Alam mo, yung tinatawag nila na masarap tingnan. Ganyan. So, yan nakita nyo? Oh my God, it looks like an apple pie. We're gonna sprinkle it with brown sugar para mag-shiny. So, now I'll sprinkle with brown sugar. Yan. Para na mag-caramelize siya and mag-shiny siya. And then, we'll return it to the oven. There goes. Oh, medyo nag-darken ng isang. Oh, look at that, guys. That's how it is. That is the finished product. So, if you will note, ang mga vents niya complete. And it's crispy on the sides because of the egg wash. Natural lang yan ng mga cracks pag apple pie because like I said, yung apple nagli-liquefy yan sa loob. So this is the newly baked apple pie. This is what we call nakakainin natin na piping hot siya kasi bagong-bagong luto. So we'll try it. I'm using this very sharp na Asmeten knife dito sa Japan. Look at that. Pwede mo siya talaga napaka-crispy. Oh, fell down. Ang success kasi ng isang apple pie is based on how flaky the crust is. So, ayan. Dahil masyado pa siyang bagong luto. Sorry guys. I have to put this off. Dahil bago pa siyang luto, if you will note, sabi ko, yung apple talagang magiging siya, wet siya, but when this sets, iba na rin siya. Lahat ng apple pie ganito, basa. That's why na normally, pag kinakain ng apple pie, should be cool. So, try natin. Royce is gonna eat too. We're gonna devour the first slice na mainit. Tastes like apple pie. Oh, you should try this, guys. It's really nice. Not because ako nagluto, but because I know the traditional taste. It's nice. So, once again, thank you so much for your support. We hope to see you again. And this is Enrique of Enrique Talks. And please do not forget to subscribe and share this to your friends. Thank you so much. Bye.